best I could come out with, you know. Reaching out to Burnham Parish Council. Love Music Hate Violence in partnership with Burnham Parish Council and the Dhol Collective. Where's the energy massive? Hey TJP, turn up the Dhol Collective. Let's go! It's your boy Steve right now. Dhol Collective, Love Music Hate Violence, DJP. Who knows it?
Reaching out to the new from Dhol Collective. I want to hear the energy now. The energy needs to be real right now. Come on, I want to hear it.
We're up the JP, we got the Dhol Collective, obviously it's Love Music Hate Violence, Danny B, Steve Ross, MK, Danger K, Bubbles, and the rest of the crew. And we're just going to play some tunes, but I need some crowd participation. So that means, when they play their drum, I need you to change the light bulb. Is that doable? Can everyone do that for me? Put your hand in the air and change the light. Bro, there's not enough people doing it. Let's go. After 3, everyone's hand in the air. Don't be shy. Give it a try. Change the light bulb. Let's run the track selector. Everyone, keep your hand in the air right now. We're being filmed, by the way. Change the light bulb. So change the light bulb.